Hello everyone, so welcome to another lesson in this series of lessons for first year back. So today we have grammar, another lesson which is reported speech and reported speech, or we can say indirect speech. So we have in English or in any language, we have two speeches. We have the direct, when you speak, for example, now I speak. But if you want to say what I say now to somebody else, you report. Okay, you report. This is reported speech. Look at these two sentences and we will understand. Zainab, I am studying for the exam. I am studying for the exam. She said this yesterday, but she is not here now. Now I want to report. Zainab said that. What? What did she say? She said that she was studying for the exam. For the exam. She was studying for the exam. So what did I do? I take this direct speech, I report it to the indirect speech, because here we don't have Zainab, so I report it. But again, we have two speeches. Now we will see some changes, what happened. So first we add said. We call this the reporting verb. The reporting verb said and that. It goes with the reporting verb. Then we have she. Here we have I, because she is speaking. She said I. But here she is not speaking. So I report. So I say she. Then we have am. This is the I'm studying, present continuous. They change it into past continuous. He was studying, and they continue the sentence. We have other changes. We are going to see them. Now, these are the changes that happen. We have direct speech and we have indirect speech. So, if we have the sentence, the first sentence, or the direct speech is in the simple present, we change it to the past. Okay, we have to change it to the simple past when we report it, when it becomes an direct speech. For example, we have I am, it becomes was. Speaks, it becomes spoke. Visit, it becomes visited. Simple past. Visited, it becomes past perfect. Had visited. We are going to see more examples so as to understand. Present perfect, we change it into past perfect. And if we have the mode will, like the future, I will go, it becomes I would go. Okay? And these are expressions of time or place that we can change also. So for example, tomorrow, the following day, next week, the following week, last week, the week before, these times, those times. These times, which means now, if I report it becomes those times. Now, it becomes then, and here becomes there. So these are some of the changes that we may need as an introduction to understand the reported speech. Now let's see some examples. Ahmed, Colin, I have inverted commas. I will travel tomorrow. Fatima, I have finished the job. And Khalid, I was at school last week. All these sentences are direct speech. We want to change them to reported speech. We want to report them, to change them to indirect speech. So the first one, Ahmed, we have Ahmed. Said that. This is the reporting verb. He, because I changes into he. We don't have Ahmed now. So we speak about Ahmed. We say he. Will, we change it into would. He would travel. Infinitive, it stays as it is. No change. Tomorrow, it becomes the following day. Like you have here, tomorrow, the following day. Now, move on to Fatima. Fatima said that she had finished the job. So look, I have finished, present perfect, changes into she had finished past perfect. Fatima said that. All the time we have a reporting verb. Now we move to Khalid. I was at school last week. We have simple past and we have last week. Khalid said that. Reporting verb. He had been. Was, simple past, changes into had been. Past perfect. This is the form of the past perfect. Had plus past participle verb. And this is how we change the sentences from direct speech into indirect speech. To recapitulate, we change the pronoun, we add the reporting verb, we change the pronoun, we add the reporting verb, we change the verb tense, okay? And then we change time and place expressions. Here, there, this is a place expression, these are time expressions. And that's it with the reported speech for today. And it is just for first year back students. If you want more, to understand more the reported speech, you can check our videos on reported speech for second year baccalaureate students. And thank you for listening. And please again, if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't, and try to share it with your friends. And wait for, let's say, I'm going to give you an exercise at the first command. You can do it, and then later on I will give you the answers, and you will check the answers in the same command. So see you in another video, and thank you. Now pause the video for a few minutes, write these things so as to benefit from them later on. So see you next time.